And I finished my clothespin Automata number 3. It's a tap dancing robot. There's number 2. That's Clyde from Pac-Man. This is number 3. That's Pac-Man. Eating one of those dots. Anyways. So I made improvements to the eyeballs because they kept getting stuck. I just lubed everything up so it would run smoother. It seems to be working pretty good. Really good movement. I like it. So there's Clyde. Here is the tap dancing robot. And Pac-Man over there. This is number 3. 2 and 1. I like the tap dancing robot. So far the best. He was kind of an accident making him. But he turned out. See if we can do both of them. That takes talent. Thanks for watching. Give me a like. Hit the subscribe button.